Hi, I'm Christos Deslanos with Furman, and welcome to Infocomm 2012, where we're showing our new Furman Contractor Series. We have the 15 amp CN 1800S and the 20 amp CN 2400S. One of the things you'll notice, there's no visible front panel switches unless you want one by removing the security cover. You can also access factory default dip switches with this security cover here. Diagnostic lights, convenient outlet, circuit breaker, and key switch on the front. Most of your interface is going to be on the back though. You've got your unswitched outlet that's wired in parallel to the front panel outlet. You always have protection and filtration, and you have delay banks 1, 2, and 3. The first Phoenix connectors are legacy support, so as the name implies, we're backward compatible. The next is our smart sequencing port. What is smart sequencing, you ask? Well, we're using ASCII now, so the same communication protocols as your control system is now what smart sequencing is. So this gives you more capability as far as monitoring, control, and program. You only need 2 conductors as opposed to 4. And since it's current loop, you can get your wires crossed and it doesn't matter. It's still going to function fine. Now we have our third-party support where you have your force off for your fire alarm systems. If you're using smart sequencing, you only need to have the fire alarm connected to the head end unit or the primary unit to force off all sequencers in the chain. We also have a dry contact closure in parallel to the third delay with a relay common, normally closed, normally open, so you can drive old Furman sequencers or third-party sequencers. Last but not least is our RS-232 port, so you can connect your control systems directly to the unit. Once again, if you're using smart sequencing, you only need to connect it to the primary unit. If you want power management over IP, over here, we have our Blue Bolt RS-232 adapter that accepts your RJ45 and then your RS-232, where you can have power management over IP as well as your telnet commands from your control systems. The 2 Furman rack mount sequencers are shipping now, and then the Blue Bolt RS-232 will be shipping in Q4. Shipping next month will be our 15 amp mini port, and in August will be our 20 amp mini port. Once again, I'm Christos Deslanos. Thank you for viewing.